동마들라 드림 아주 아니 동감 추식강도 운이네 밀로 tuk출에게 코르기 두수디 누구요래 길라야 아주 저 지규경배 배무마 주두 소도소바 배마주니라래 다른 시기 아주 산에 Ethiopian lecture Member of Parliament Mr. James Millen, thanks for coming today, and Member of Provincial Parliament from Parkdale High Park, Ms. Alexa Gallimore, thank you so much again for coming here today and making our event special for both of you. Super thank you. And 다나신 가족이 베르시드 조박이 다나신 강주 추대리기 소소 디기 슈라라 투지치나 쉐이 지단기 선이 내가게 모란 텔라 열들에 가족이 제고들라 통제당 구샤지 제제 결라 페어들랑에 이 탁관이 까린 체슈이
노알라듯이 먼저 송도 마시바 신호 어스경 권수를 줘봐 구샤 응원도 필요 돈에 안 되는데 논백이 교육법에 힘드는 거 안에 온티리오기 저 팀이 제스로니 파크델기 나디도 저 팀이 알렉사 겔모어 네 주식관도 캐나다 주식관도 원체라 강천천델린 당 온티리오기 먼저 베리지든 소백이 소소 이게 슈발라 네 쇼테 마임베 소바 가기 우선 넘버다 아니 자제 만소 삼로라 다리 주식건도 대선 당라마 운예면 로 도시랍게 코베 니모이기 들어오더라 예장도 삼로라 섬지 뜻들의 쉐이
삼로 뜻들의 안토마 진노콘사 겸괴중보 쇼고 쿠바 통조를 못selle야 그 장문도 보네 안타린데 페베 캐나다 최저기 투미 아니 공원 제임스 말로니죠 온타리오 최저 투미 알렉사 길모어죠 페미만 지딜 헨조기 속솔 공원 베마 중내라
It's always such a privilege and honor for me to be here at this facility with this community, and today is very special considering what we're celebrating. This founding day is a significant celebration, as your president just outlined, for so many reasons that I don't need to tell you, but I'm glad to be reminded of myself, so thank you. I first want to say thank you to Canada's Dokam Tushi Gondaruk for the kind invitation for being here today. I want to thank your president, the president of TCC. I also want to pay tribute to our special guest today.
It's really good to be here. My name is Alexa Gilmore, and I am 1 year into being the MPP for Parkdale High Park, and it is a great honor to the members of the Sangha, cherished leaders on the stage here, presidents. It is really, truly special to be here today, and I want to add my congratulations to you for your 28 years of service, and to the many, many people in this room who are fighting for the Tibetan people and the cause of Tibet.
And it's so terrible, someone. She not very bad number to any someone teaching number to teach, that's very cheering. Take the church and the answer. Your children would be singing in say, your money, teaching countries. Thomas Chopper to Tanta, soon go to Jeremy.
주식한도기 여러분 교 걸라면서 졸린지 고치치요 안들라면서 디나면서 슈나게 슈게 숨요래 그런서 숨 대딩제가 페로치를 쉐 힘제다 미우조 디카이스나 당가라이나 답페제 로추스 도 두고들어 로추스 니가 베란저 로로 정보 캐나다라 내가 지도를 먼저 미세기 주식한도 님으로 돈에 아니 로슈버 소티스틱 먼저 베베 게르 루큐 디나 아니 디라 먼저 데 슝게 수미레 아니 먼저 디라 미세기 먼저 데 케완다 먼저 디라 슈슈 심주 진용요다 데 케 마레로 탭 딜로 안 탭 딜로 빠베 먼저 데 조린직 타디시요 아니 먼저다 슝게 먹보여자 벽에 다 인지니가니 타디시요라 Hi everyone. I'm hoping the young people in the audience can take a few minutes now to sort of get their attention up here. We've prepared a panel discussion with 3 other youth here, and we will dive into the story of 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges, a true account of Khampa resistance to Chinese in Tibet, authored by the founder of Dohom Chushikandu, Zasa Andrugombotashi. It is an honor for me to moderate this discussion for 4 Rivers, 6 Ranges. It's a memoir that is not only a first-hand historical account, but also a deeply human story about courage, resistance, identity, sacrifice, and the preservation of culture. So through this book, we are invited into a pivotal moment in Tibetan history through the eyes of someone who lived it. Andrugombotashi's reflections help us better understand the formation of the Chushikandu resistance movement, while also raising broader questions about memory, resilience, leadership, and what people are willing to fight to protect. Today's conversation is especially meaningful because we'll be hearing from youth voices. As history continues to shape the present, it's important to create space for younger generations to reflect on how these stories resonate today, not only politically or historically, but personally and culturally as well. Our hope today is that this discussion can be thoughtful, open and reflective, and a chance for us to engage not only with the historical events described in the memoir, but also with the emotions, values, and questions that continue to emerge from them. So for the young people, students for Free Tibet Canada, and currently
what my job today is to introduce the book and summarize this book to a lot of the young people that are over here that may have not read the book yet. I hadn't until this opportunity, so I'm really, really excited to share.
And the organization Chushikandu was born. And that organization was quickly challenged like very few moments in history. There were farmers, traders, even monks. But they helped him, and they helped each other in this journey. They asked for nothing, and they saw nothing in return. They carried their sacred relics to safety. They helped open the path for more than 100,000 Tibetans to follow to refuge. A journey that started 68 years ago that leads us here today. And His Holiness the Dalai Lama himself wrote later that he admired their courage and thanked them for the protection they had given him. Protection given by people who would never see their own land, and I know there's so many of us in this room today who have not had the chance to see that homeland. We honor that work today in the present. We honor that work in the Tibetan national flag and in the flag of the
대형 카메라로 제 방송을 찍는这个场动啊，点你看看，逻辑也定义也满足个多多看见，这是看中了嘛，这边是要办的，认真定义蓝本者，从中国开始学，俺们前面也要这么做，跟着 GB 也用得住，呀，中国那把大先把刚刚中国人的高